Hey everyone, what is up? So a little medical unboxing for this one. This got some few things off of Whatnot. It's from streamer HW Collectornwifey. I bought them once before, and their packaging is pretty good. Let's see right here. One of the items I did get is a freebie, which I'll show you, of course. And then I did also buy a few things. Thank you for your support, Bamboo and Fam. And if you've ever been on their stream, you know what this is all about right there. But anyways, yeah, let's get into it, show you all what I got. And then yeah, look at this packaging. There's a little bubble wrap at the top there. But then check this out. Even stuff inside is also like, as you can kind of get a sneak peek of what this is. Then look at this packaging. It's like not only in bubble wrap, but it's also in these sleeves too. Amazing. And by the way, I bought the stuff on like Thursday night, and it was at the doorstep freaking Sunday afternoon. Fast. That was so quick. Yeah. I'm not ready to see through this what this one is. So this is one I never found in the store. Oh, we got the 82 Toyota Supra from the World Tour set. Go ahead and get this tape off of here now that it's made it here. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice. Got all the stickers off. Boom. Awesome. Heck yeah, never found this one in the store. This one was always gone anytime I came across the set. We got just the one light up. It's kind of cool. Awesome. Huh, that's kind of weird though. It's left-hand drive on this, so interesting. Especially since it's probably this World Tour set and representing Japan, you'd think it'd have the right-hand drive on it. It's left-hand drive on this. Interesting choice. Yeah, pick that up. That paid $7 for that, so basically I paid retail on that pretty much. Then I got a few things in here. Got 4 items in here. Open this sleeve up. Awesome packaging. Alright. Now, okay, where is the other one? I'll find the end of the bubble wrap to open up. Alright. Here we go. Yeah, look at this. Boom. Paid $3 for this, and I paid $3 for this one. So it's basically around retail. The 96 Akron Tega GSR from the Fast and Furious racing course. Ooh. Awesome. And we got that now. Ooh. From the, of course, Silver Series thing. Cool. Awesome. They did also have the Civic available that was on sale, but got outbid on that one. I didn't want to like overpay too much on anything, so. Because usually when I do buy stuff, I try to give myself a limit to stick to. And then next is this 1990 Acura NSX in white, which I guess it was when this came out, I guess was a Kroger exclusive, which don't have those stores where I'm at. So, I went ahead and this looked pretty cool. I liked it a bit on it. Yeah, pretty cool. International Racing Course Riola Circuit. Pretty cool looking one. It's clear top on there. This is from copyright 2017. This has been 2018 release. Pretty cool. And we also I got this one for $2 on this one. Yeah, all their stuff was started at $2. It was the starting bid that they had up for everything. I was surprised nobody tried to outbid me on this. So I ended up taking this one out for $2. Porsche 934 Turbo RSR from the Neon Speeders. Never found this one in the store. This one's always gone. You know, Porsche and everything, of course. Ooh, nice. It's black with the neon green. And of course, we got the Walmart logo wheels. Awesome. And then, lastly, this is actually what I won on the giveaway. This wasn't selling, so they threw it up in the giveaway. And then, yeah, so this is also a treasure hunt. I won the free treasure hunt car. Yeah, see, that's number 3. Followers give you number 3. Ford Transit Connect, flower delivery. Of course, you see the logo right there on the back, on the side of here. I can look. Let's see if we can. Yeah, there you go. You can see it right there. U.S. card, so it's gonna have the verbiage. Yep, there we go. Yeah. Ooh. Yep. I'm gonna take down the treasure hunt on the free. Then bought some cool stuff. HW Collectornwifey on Whatnot. They don't go live very often, but when they do, they got some pretty cool stuff sometimes. And yeah, you saw that packaging. Awesome packaging. Anyways, thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.